Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be making this farmhouse inspired soap container. So the first thing we're going to do is get this glass container from Dollar Tree. You'll also need some dish soap, raffia, an empty shampoo bottle with a pump, a pair of scissors. You'll also need some white spray paint. We chose to use the chalky white finish, and some farmhouse inspired looking stickers. We found these at Hobby Lobby. The first thing you're going to do is take your jar and you're going to remove the cork and spray paint it with a coat of white paint. It might take 2 coats. Just remember to spray it high so that it doesn't drip, and just use thin coats. You can do more than one and it only takes a few minutes to dry. Next we're going to apply the sticker. So we chose to use this sticker for the bottle. We thought it looked mostly like a farmhouse inspired style sticker, so we chose to use this one, and we're just going to center it on the bottom of the bottle down here. And just be careful you put it where you want it, because if you pull it up, it will remove the paint from underneath. So just make sure it's where you want it before you stick it down into place. Next, we just take one of these little chicken stickers and we put that down at the bottom in the middle, just because we thought it helped it make it look a little bit more like a farmhouse style bottle. Okay, so next what we're going to do is just tie a little bit of raffia around the top. We decided just to make it into a bow. You could use twine, ribbon, pretty much whatever you want here. It's your choice. Once you try the ribbon, just cut the long ends off to make them a little bit straighter and look a little neater at the top here. Next, you're going to remove the pump from an empty shampoo bottle. We got this shampoo at Dollar Tree for $1. We liked it because it had the pump. So what I'm going to do here is just measure it to the bottle, and then I'm going to cut the bottom here off of the little straw part so that it will fit inside the bottle. After that, I just remove the cork and I put the pump inside to see if it fits lengthwise, and it does. So then I'm going to remove that, and then we're just going to fill this with our dish soap. So we chose just to use this Palmolive dish soap. So we fill it, don't fill it too full, because you do have to leave some room for the pump to replace the pump back inside. So once we do that, we just secure it back in place and then give it a few pumps to get rid of some of the old shampoo that was still in the straw. And this is our finished product. I hope you guys like it. We had a lot of fun making it. It was really easy to do, and it looks really pretty sitting on the counter. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.